song, give me that tempo. Ooh. Told fool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the views.
That's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart.
Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl TJ. Welcome back. If y'all saw my intro, you already know what it is, so let's just get into it. So today we're going to be installing Sunber's Piano Brown Highlighted Wig. She's in the inches of 20. It already comes cut. The knots, where are they? Okay, they're super duper small, and it comes with baby hairs. Stop playing with me. Sunber, I didn't know y'all was doing it like that, okay? Like, look at this color, okay? The color, A1. I did go ahead and adjust the elastic band in the back like y'all seen, and that is what makes your wigs glueless. I'm telling you, it's tight, it's snug, it's not falling off. If you go outside to a concert, if you go to the beach, if you're doing anything, you exercise, baby, your wig is secured, okay? Secure. But this is the first look of the hair, and I'm excited. Y'all know I don't do color units without black 1B roots, okay? 1 or 1B roots. But look at this up close. They gave us baby hairs. Like, what? I didn't know y'all was doing this now. This wig would be perfect for beginners because you ain't got to do nothing, and it comes pre-plucked. Did I say that? So now we're just going to get into it. We're going to go ahead and tint the lace. We do need a lace to match our skin tone. So I'm using Red by Kisses Lace Tinting Spray in the shade Medium Dark Brown. So once that's fully dry, we're going to put her back on. And like I said, she is snug. She is secure. She's not going nowhere. And school is here, y'all. Okay, look at this. Do y'all see how that melted into my forehead? Like, what type of witchery is that? Like, don't even play. So now I'm just going in to straighten up the part. So I went in with the wide tooth comb to detangle the hair for the first time. Now I did get shedding. Let me note this, all virgin hair units do shed. If somebody telling you that the unit does not shed, they're lying. Now it's not coming out in clumps and being obsessive, but for my first time detangling the hair, I was definitely getting shedding. So do be mindful of that. Now I'm just combing out the baby hairs. I cannot believe they're doing it like this, y'all. The lace is pre-cut. Super duper small knots. You do not need to bleach it. I did not bleach it. It comes with baby hairs in the middle part and it's pre-plugged. What more could you need? Like, just think about that. Like, this is the perfect beginner friendly wig ever. Like, Sunber really exceeded my expectations. I'm just going in with my wax stick. I'm just hot combing the hairline. And as you guys can see, it just, look at that. When you just go in just with a little bit of wax, it brings that hairline just to life. So if anything, you could just do some lightly, you know, hot combing. And this, anybody can do this, okay? Anybody. Anybody. So now I'm just going to go ahead and secure it down. Like I said, it does come with the elastic band so you can tighten it up in the back so you can wear it glueless. But I wanted to adhere it down to see what it would look like melted, okay? Because if it was given when it wasn't melted, I know it's going to give me more when it's melted. So I placed 1 to 2, 3 layers of that, and I allowed the product to get tacky. Once it's tacky, I'm just going to line the lace with where I placed the product and just press it down. I normally do this in one setting because it's literally a closure, like a, you know, a little bit longer than a closure. Pull down both sides and you're done. Now I'm just going to set my elastic band on for a few minutes so it can just melt even more. Look at this. Do y'all not see what I'm saying? Well, ladies, baby, this is my real hair. This is my real hair right here. Don't play, okay? It looks so good. So anyway, I'm just gonna pull the baby hairs out. I'm gonna take my 1-inch flat iron. We're just gonna curl the baby hairs away from my face. Okay, we're gonna do that to both sides. And I'm just going to spray some of my 𝚑𝚑𝚒𝚘 spray on my little edge brush, and we're just going to swoop that to our liking. Now, I don't like the baby hairs to sit on my eyebrows. That's just my personal preference. I don't like that. So I'm just going to trim them up so they can just be a little bit, you know, smaller, if that makes sense. So, yeah, I did do the other side off camera because it was repetitive, but y'all, I cannot believe they're making it so easy for us to install a wig now. Like, Can y'all believe that? Wigs came a long way. They came a long way. All right, so this is what they both look like. What? Hairstylist for what? Okay, hairstylist for what? You can do this at home. Now I'm just going in with a little bit of hairspray just to secure everything in its place. I want everything to sit right all day long, so I'm just using my Sebastian hairspray and just hot combing it into the hair. I just want everything looking laid, okay? Y'all know I like the little bumps in the front of my hair. I don't know why, but I feel like it just gives the unit just a little bit more personality. All right, so now I'm just going in with my Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha, and we're just going to define the part. You know, it just makes it look woke. Not it make your wig look woke. That doesn't make sense, but y'all get what I'm saying. All right, so let's back it up. Look at this. Look at what it looks like far away. Do y'all see it? That's crazy. And look at the hair. I should have just wore the hair like this and call it a day. So now I'm just gonna go in, because today I wanted to do a curly hair routine, but I wanted to try a new technique, so we're gonna do this. Make sure your hair is fully saturated with water. Now I like to do this in sections because I feel like it just comes out better. So it's fully saturated with water. I'm going in with my Moisture Miracle Curling Cream by African Pride. You can use what you want. You can use a foam wrap lotion or, you know, whatever you want. But this is the product that I'm gonna use to get these desired curls that I was desiring. Okay, so I place that cream all throughout the hair. I make sure to focus it on the ends as well. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna run the brush through it once and separate this part into 2 sections. And then I'm just gonna run the brush again, but this time when I'm running the brush through the hair, I'm just gonna slightly, you know, turn my wrist out at an angle slightly, as you guys can see. And I'm gonna shake the curl, and it's gonna form like this spiral type of curl. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Take my brush, run it through once, and then take it again, but slightly turn my brush outwards, like a flick of the wrist, you know? Now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna scrunch up the hair like this. This is gonna help the curl form and hold as well. Also, do be mindful when doing the curly hair routine. Your curls will look different depending on the product that you use. So if you're using a lot of heavier products or a lot of that specific product, your hair can look more thinner. If you use just water or light airy products, your hair can look fuller and thicker. So do be mindful of that. I like to always say that because people be tripping, but that's the only difference, okay? So now I'm just gonna take my blow dryer and we're just gonna make sure it's dry. I don't know where my diffuser is at, so we're just gonna have to use this. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will give this wig 1,000 out of 100 because this wig surpassed my expectation. I love the color. Y'all know I don't do color. I love this color. I wish I had this at the beginning of summer, but however, this will definitely go great for the fall season that is up ahead. Actually, you can wear this wig all year around. It doesn't matter. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. I have no complaints about this unit. Of course, I did get minor shedding. I didn't get tangling yet, but I'm not saying it's not going to tangle. So yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed. Again, the link to this specific unit will be listed in the description section. Don't forget to check there as well, because I do have a coupon code where it can save you more monies off. Okay, so you can save your coins. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed again, and until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.